if he can get it tonight. Mike McKinney with 6 career Hell Tour wins here in 2024 alone. He's got 24 of them, 6 this year. Peyton Williams in the work area. The 16 of Alexander's down there.
Yeah, Alexander trying to get Caden Alexander brought the race car in. They're trying to get this right front changed here. He's also got some damage there on the front of his race car. But again, this 2 laps, his team working quick to get him back out there. Right front tire, the original just came off. They're going to push it back behind the wall and try to get this new one on right here and get it back out onto this racing surface.
All right, Peyton, thank you very much. We'll get the field formed up here.